Hello, OB Fit and Mega Ace Challenge group members. Okay, the one rule that our administrators had implemented was to select the challenge based on your health goals. And in the group, I know Vaughn did put to select one challenge. For those of you who may have selected more than one challenge, I'm going to show you how to leave a challenge and to accept the challenge that you actually want to be in. So when you're in your challenges, you'll see your invitations to the 90-mile, 55-mile, and 30-mile challenges. If you would like to leave a challenge, let's say because you have accepted more than one challenge, so here I'm going to click the 55-mile challenge. When you select it, Android users will see a white screen up until June 1st when the challenge starts. However, if you are on an Apple screen, oh my, look what popped up. So there is a glitch in the NRC app. Perhaps if you wait maybe a minute, it will pop up. When it does, you click the three dots on the top right, and you can select Leave Challenge. Now, I'm not going to select that, but if that's what you would like to do, that's where you can find it. For the Apple users, it tends to pop up immediately. So, again, you're going to go to the challenge that you no longer want to be in because we're selecting one challenge, right? You select that challenge. Apple users will see it immediately. Android users have to wait. Or if it doesn't pop up, then it's guaranteed to pop up June 1st. You're going to hit those three dots and hit Leave Challenge. Also, I want to remind you while I have your attention, if you have not been invited into a challenge, it is because you were not initially invited by one of the administrators. I know Vaughn is doing a lot of accepting, so please ask him to be your friend on the NRC app. When you search your friends to request or to add a friend, add him by his email address. It's djace2000@hotmail.com, djace2000@hotmail.com. Once you're accepted as his friend, he will then send you all the challenges where you go into your app and you choose one challenge. Till June 1st, we'll see you on the leaderboard.